Hi there. Welcome to our next coding lesson. Today, we're going to learn about conditional statements, which help us make decisions in our programs using Python. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first thing we need to know about conditional statements is the if statement. The if statement is used to make a decision in our program based on a condition. Let's take a look at the syntax of an if statement. Here, we have an if statement that checks if a variable called age is greater than or equal to 7. If the condition is true, then the program will print, "You can ride the roller coaster." Now, let's talk about comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values in our program. These include the equal sign, not equal sign, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. For example, 7 equals 7 is true, 7 is not equal to 8 is true, 7 greater than 5 is true, 7 less than 5 is false, 7 greater than or equal to 7 is true, and 7 less than or equal to 5 is false. We can also combine multiple conditions in our if statement using logical operators. These include and, or, and not. For example, if we want to check if a person is both older than 7 and taller than 4 feet, we can use the and operator. If we want to check if a person is either older than 7 or taller than 4 feet, we can use the or operator. And if we want to check if a person is not older than 7, we can use the not operator. Now, let's see how we can use conditional statements to write simple programs. For example, let's say we want to create a program that checks if a person is old enough to ride a roller coaster. Here, we've created a variable called age and assigned it a value of 7. Then, we've used an if statement to check if the age is greater than or equal to 7. If the condition is true, the program will print, "You can ride the roller coaster." That's it. You've learned about conditional statements, comparison operators, logical operators, and how to write simple programs that use if statements in Python. Keep practicing and exploring new things. Programming is fun and exciting. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.